Why we fear starting from zero. Maybe the problem isn't the beginning. Maybe it's the weight of everything you've been carrying. Every expectation, every old version of yourself, pulling you back just when you try to take that first step. People call it laziness because they don't see the real fight. Your brain sees it differently. The risk. A blank start erases all predictions, and uncertainty feels like danger. Starting from zero forces your brain to pause. No patterns, no shortcuts, no memories to guide you. In that silence, your survival instinct wakes up and fills the unknown with fear. Let's be real. Maybe you're not afraid of failing. That's just the easy excuse. Maybe you're afraid of what's left when you run out of reasons to stay where you are. Psychologists call it an identity crisis. To start again, you have to let go of who you were. And that's the hardest part, not the new path, but saying goodbye to the old one. We fear beginnings because they force us to see what we've been hiding. Our doubts, our fears, the parts of ourselves we don't want to face. It's not the world that scares us, it's the mirror. But zero isn't the enemy. It's the one place where no one has judged you yet, where you're allowed to still be figuring things out, and that's okay. Here's the truth. You're not afraid to start. You're afraid of what you'll find when there's nothing left to hide behind. Zero isn't empty. It's an open door. No expectations. No past mistakes. Just a chance to start with honesty, one step at a time. So here's the question you've been avoiding. If you could start from zero today, no past, no fear, no excuses, what would you write on that first page? Because zero isn't the end. It's the only place where you get to decide who you are before the world tells you otherwise.